impressively big smallness. The 2009 Honda Fit is a triumph of creativity and proof that desirable cars don't have to be expensive. The Honda Fit, everybody's favorite 5-door. One glance at this impetuous, bite-sized wonder and you just might think, the Fit is go. Well, you'd be right, of course, but with the Fit, there's so much more. Neither psychics nor seasoned palm readers could predict just how much room there is inside the Fit. An innovative 60-40 split second-row magic seat allows for 4 distinct interior configurations. And the Fit has even more to make you smile, like a 109 horsepower 1.5-liter VTEC engine. Sure, the Fit is a blast to drive, but did you know that the Fit also respects the environment? Going to the pump is a bit easier knowing the Fit will get 38 miles per gallon. Nice! Legendary Honda safety, including standard front and side curtain airbags, plenty of storage compartments, and a super friendly starting price. The 2009 Honda Fit. Looks can be deceiving.
At Mile 1 Heritage Honda Westminster, you'll find the selection and value you'd expect and the customer service you deserve. In 3 easy steps: browse, research, buy, right from our website or stop by our location today. Mile 1 Heritage Honda Westminster. We're conveniently located at 580 Baltimore Boulevard in Westminster. Mile1.com. Everything automotive.